obuhakabani akyabutu kahombe ekinskaita ekiya COVID19 omwihanga Government ekateekawo akatebe akakujunanizibwa n'okulwanisa ekirwaire hamwe n'ako akakaba kayina okutangira obukonyezi obwa buli mulingo. Government ekatunga okuyirukirwa okwa sente n'ebintu gamba nk'ebyokulya okuruga omunsi ezaheeru hamwe n'ebyo ebyaherezibweyo abantu ababulikiro. Sente ezarugire aheru no hali emiliyoni eza dola ezikwikira kimu asatu nemu n'obutonyize mukaga okuruga mu African Development Bank, emiliyoni 409 eza dola okuruga mu International Monetary Fund, oteyoneze bikwikira kimu 344 okuruga mu banka eyensi yona. Abantu ababulikiro nabo batabitumire mwana abakusingo bwingi bakabitekeramu enkaito basobora kwani baherezayo obukonyezi obwa buli mulingo baitu kandi embalira nagono gwaka bakyageno masino gigurukya kino kihambirize abakuru okuruga mu bitongole ebitali ebya gavumenti okusaba gavumenti okurugayo okuhereza embalira niko abantu betegereze esente zino ahamu n'ebyokulya bikakolesebwa bita.
Abantu bakaguza esente ziri zona zikagya akaba esente za bamemba ba parliament bagaruire akaba esente za rugiro mu central government akaba esente za irukiriro abantu bo bakonfirming ngo wewe ngubo bakatunga kahunga n'ebihimba runne bitakuri ebinde central zagenze tubazimanyire so mbaye ninsaba Masindi district local government erugeyo ekora accountability icyo kubanza esente zo uburawo ziriri niwe zigaruri
nabaliza omuruyitirano orutekanizibwe aba RDP Uganda Masindi Hotel orunyakwemigirwemu ebitongole ebitali bya gavumenti hamwe na CSOs Benehanski yotasobora agambire nti singa gavumenti etarugayo okuha embalira nikisobora okugarukiriza abayikazi okutagaruka okugirukira singa haba chwekeroho endwaire nkazino wadde omukaire kano akomukugira ogwa murundo gwa kabi.
People now have lost hope. People do not have confidence in the structures that govern because of this accountability issue. Now that people can no longer give in things or give in help, because since the call was brought out, we have not had anybody come out say, I have brought this, I have brought this. It is as a result of the transparency issue from the district task force. So we are therefore calling upon that the district task force, let it come out and give accountability of the things that we are given to it in form of the money, the food, and other things that were brought for people. Let them come out, tell us where did they go, who benefited, and so that people can have that confidence to give back, because understand local government don't have money right now.
Bano bakugamba abantu balina okunihira nti ebintu bino nibisobora kuba byalirwe abantu abanyakuri akatebe akateirweho okurwanisa ahamu n'okutangira okusasana kw'ekinzi kino ekya COVID19 arulengo olw'enyamasaza abokuba bikaikara nibisindikibwa baitu kandi batetegereze bikakwata nkaha. Omurukwato nirwo rumo akugwera district security officer Muhumuza Kennesi we asimire kitongole kya RDP Uganda bukyabukia okutekanizaga enkurato nkazino nibakiramo no okwecumitiriza hambalira n'okutunura habintu ebitali bimo na bimo.
We appreciate RDP's work, and as usual we normally collaborate with RDP, and for that cause we are always there to work hand in hand with RDP.